Hey everybody, I'm making this quick video because we recently had a trash can dolly go down on us. The wheels just got worn down all the way to the nub. It was scratching our floors. So I was looking for some replacement wheels, and I went on Amazon and found 5 wheels for $39. And I thought to myself, wait a second, I can buy a whole brand new one for $31. This is not good. I think I'm going to keep on looking. So I went and I found these Zitriom wheels on Amazon, and they were only $24. So I thought, wow, universal fit. It looks like it's a soft wheel. I'm going to give these a try. So got the wheels, and they're really good quality. Nice heavy wheel. It fits right into the trash can dolly. The wheel is a soft rubber. Zitriom, never heard of it. Look, it's for office chairs, but again, it fits perfectly. So I went ahead and installed them in the trash can dolly. I put all 5 of them in there, no problem. I did try to do a little bit more research to see if I could find a cheaper wheel, but they were mainly going for like $10 or $12 a wheel. So for 5 for $24, this was definitely a good deal. Now I will say this trash can dolly is going to mainly be used in an office setting. So I wouldn't probably use this dolly out in a construction site. It'll tear them up even more. But hey, 5 for $24, if you do decide to do that, that's still cheaper than the other options. Thanks for watching.